Programming languages you should learn in 2021. Programming languages and computer coding have made life simpler for us. Whether it's automobiles, banks, home appliances, or hospitals, every aspect of our lives depends on codes.
No wonder, coding is one of the core skills required by most well-paying jobs today.
Coding skills are especially of value in the IT, data analytics, research, web designing, and engineering segments. So, which programming languages will continue to be in demand in 2021 and beyond? How many languages should you know to pursue your dream career? We will attempt to answer these tricky questions in this video. The ever-growing list of programming languages and protocols can make it tough for programmers and developers to pick any one language that's most suitable for their jobs or project at hand. Ideally, every programmer should have knowledge of a language that's close to the system, C, Go, or C++, a language that's object-oriented, Java or Python, a functional programming language, Scala, and a powerful scripting language, Python and JavaScript. Whether you are aiming at joining a Fortune 500 firm or desire to pursue a work-from-home career in programming, it's important to know what's hot in the industry. Here are a few programming languages we recommend for coders who want to make it big in 2021. 1. Python. Python continues to be one of the best programming languages every developer should learn this year. The language is easy to learn and offers a clean and well-structured code, making it powerful enough to build a decent web application. Python can be used for web and desktop applications, GUI-based desktop applications, machine learning, data science, and network servers. The programming language enjoys immense community support and offers several open-source libraries, frameworks, and modules that make application development a cakewalk. For instance, Python offers Django and Flask, popular libraries for web development, and TensorFlow, Keras, and SciPy for data science applications. Though Python has been around for a while, it makes sense to learn this language in 2021 as it can help you get a job or a freelance project quickly, thereby accelerating your career growth. 2. Kotlin. Kotlin is a general-purpose programming language with type inference. It is designed to be completely interoperable with Java. Moreover, from the time Android announced it is its first language, Kotlin offers features that developers ask for. It effortlessly combines object-oriented and functional programming features within it. The effortless interoperation between Java and Kotlin makes Android development faster and enjoyable. Since Kotlin addresses the major issues that surfaced in Java, several Java apps are rewritten in Kotlin. For instance, brands like Coursera and Pinterest have already moved to Kotlin due to strong tooling support. As most businesses move to Kotlin, Google is bound to promote this language more than Java. Hence, Kotlin has a strong future in the Android app development ecosystem. Kotlin is an easy-to-learn, open-source, and swift language for Android app development that removes any adoption-related barriers. You can use it for Android development, web development, desktop development, and server-side development. Therefore, it's a must-learn language for programmers and Android app developers in 2021. 3. Java. Java is celebrating its 25th birthday this year and has been one of the most popular programming languages used for developing server-side applications.
Java is a practical choice for developing Android apps as it can be used to create highly functional programs and platforms.
This object-oriented programming language does not require a specific hardware infrastructure, is easily manageable, and has a good level of security. Moreover, it is easier to learn Java in comparison to languages such as C and C++. No wonder, nearly 90% of Fortune 500 firms rely on Java for their desktop applications and back-end development projects. Despite its industrial age, Java is incredibly stable and not heading for retirement anytime soon. This makes Java one of the most desirable languages among programmers in 2021. 4. JavaScript, Node.js. JavaScript, also known as Node.js, is a popular language among developers who need to work on server-side and client-side programming. It is compatible with several other programming languages, allowing you to create animations, set up buttons, and manage multimedia. Owing to its high speed and regular annual updates, JavaScript is an ultimate hit in the IT domain. Reputed firms like Netflix, Uber, PayPal, and several startups use JavaScript to create dynamic web pages that are secure and fast. In fact, the 2018 Developer Skills Report by HackerRank shares that JavaScript is the top programming skill required by companies today. JavaScript is omnipresent in today's digital environment. Hence, learning this language makes complete sense. 5. TypeScript. TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, is an object-oriented language that was introduced to extend the capabilities of JS. The language makes it easy for developers to write and maintain codes. TypeScript offers a complete description of each component of the code and can be used for developing large applications with a strict syntax and fewer errors. Further, it is well structured and easy to learn. Its extended toolbox makes application development quick. Owing to the benefits it offers, TypeScript is expected to supersede JS in 2020, making it one of the most sought-after programming languages in the future. 6. Go. Go is fairly a new system-level programming language that has a focused vocabulary and simple scoping rules. It blends the best aspects of functional programming and object-oriented styles. Go is the fastest-growing language on GitHub, meant to replace languages like Java and C++. A Stack Overflow survey reveals that Go is the 5th most preferred language among developers today. This is because Go solves issues like slow compilation and execution in large distributed software systems. This speed advantage has made Go a critical component of cloud infrastructure. So, if you are planning to work in a serverless ecosystem, Go is the language for you. 7. Swift. Swift is a general-purpose compiled programming language developed by Apple that offers developers a simple and cohesive syntax. It is deeply influenced by Python and Ruby that's fast, secure, and easy to learn. Owing to its versatility and practical applications, Swift has replaced Objective-C as the main language for Apple-related applications. Further, since Swift is promoted by Apple, its popularity and community support are increasing. In fact, a study of the top 110 apps on the App Store showed that 42% of apps are already using Swift. Coders with little or zero experience can use Swift playgrounds to learn the language, experiment with complex codes, and work on native iOS and macOS apps. Swift is the premier coding language that helps developers create iOS apps within a short time. The programming language opens several opportunities for new programmers, allowing them to make it big in the world of app development. There is a giant market out there for iOS, and you definitely want to be a part of it. If you are eyeing this burgeoning market, Swift is the language you should learn in 2021. Summing up, nearly all coders have an insatiable thirst for learning new languages. However, knowing which languages are gaining popularity and can ensure better career growth will help you prioritize learning them first. Use the information shared in this video to make an informed decision in this matter.